low on-chain activity and lack of market momentum, but formal sentiment has noticeably decreased. Will Bitcoin drop to 65,000 or head straight for the 70,000 mark? Joe Biden coin price surges 6%, Trump's MAGA coin laughs silently. Meme coins are the new political darling in the US, giving the SEC plenty to deal with. Grayscale fund fades away, BlackRock fund shines brightly. Cosmos launching in early July, 100 million seed fund ready. PayPal expands territory for PYUSD, Solana becomes new testing ground. PayPal's groundbreaking partnership with Solana PYUSD selected. Reimagine the world with cryptocurrency, master 24-hour wealth code. Let's get rich slowly together. On Thursday, May 30th, this is Bitcoin TV's channel. So how is the crypto industry? I'm Zu, and this is a 24-hour crypto headline sponsored by Deepcoin. Previously, Bitcoin dropped from 70,000 to 56,000 and now at 68,000. Bitcoin is still at a historically high level. Although Bitcoin's funding rates have slightly rebounded, the momentum is still insufficient, indicating that at the same price level, the formal sentiment in the market has noticeably decreased. Overall, in the past 2 weeks, Bitcoin's funding rates have seen a noticeable rebound, with the market's long-short ratio tilting slightly towards the long side, but compared to the high funding rates during the previous uptrend cycle, the current level is still relatively low. So in the future, it will be difficult to avoid macroeconomic rate cuts and a cooling US stock market, and the crypto market itself has had some negative factors recently, such as the Major Domo and the US Silk Road. Subsequently, there is a possibility of a relatively large pullback in the market. For long-term investors, dollar cost average and buying on dips is recommended. For short-term investors, it's advisable to reduce positions and lower leverage on rallies to guard against potential black swan flash crash events. The number of non-zero Bitcoin addresses represents the distribution of retail and institutional holdings to some extent. Recently, as Bitcoin has been sideways around 68,000, on-chain transactions activity has dropped significantly, leading to a decrease in the number of non-zero Bitcoin addresses. This also reflects the stagnation of retail inflows recently, while institutional holdings have been continuously increasing. As the sideways and downtrend of Bitcoin over the past 2 months comes to an end, the number of profitable addresses has also risen along the price rebound, reaching a historical high of 52.2 million profitable addresses. Without significant positive news and capital inflows, there is a lack of upward momentum in the market for the time being. Hong Kong's crypto ETF support physical redemption mechanisms. Now, inflow refer to the difference between inflows and outflows in a given time, where the inflow exceed outflows. On-chain data shows that on May 29th, the Hong Kong Bitcoin Spot ETF had a single-day net redemption of 19.99 BTC, with total Bitcoin holdings of 3,650 BTC. The single-day trading volume was 41.9 million, with a total net asset value of 248 million. In terms of asset size, the Huaxia ETF holds 1,000 BTC, ranking first, following the Brossera Hashkey holding 1,000 BTC, and Harvest holding 896 BTC to third place. Additionally, the Hong Kong Ethereum Spot ETF had a single-day net inflow of 400 ETH yesterday, with total Ethereum holdings of 14,000 ETH, a single-day trading volume of 17 million, and a total net asset value of 53 million. Please like and follow us, and it will help you sort out the news from the crypto, blockchain, and mining industry that's closest to making money in the last 24 hours. So as the US presidential election becomes more intense, supporters of the two presidential candidates, Biden and Trump, have engaged in another smokeless battle through meme coins in the seemingly unrelated digital world. According to statistics, PolitFi currently has an astonishing market cap of 1.5 billion, with the top three being Mega, Constitution DAO, and Joe Biden. These tokens, named after political figures or having no direct official connection, have become a new way for fans to express support, predict election results, and even invest.
The meme coin with the MAGA code Trump is undoubtedly the leader in this political meme coin battle. Encouraged by Trump's positive statements about cryptocurrency, the MAGA coin price has rocketed from $4 to $13.99, a 55% increase in 7 days. This surge has boosted Trump's crypto assets to tens of millions of dollars. On the other hand, the coin named after President Biden, GBTC with the code BODEN, has been relatively low-key in this political meme coin battle. However, in the last 24 hours, the GBTC coin price has also risen by 6%.
This is an industry that's starting to gain the attention of everyday Americans, and it's going to be an important part of our economy going forward unless we blow it.
The rise of political meme coins has not only brought new vitality to the cryptocurrency world, but also provided a new channel for publicity and fundraising in real-world political campaigns. In this era full of uncertainties, no one can predict how these political meme coins will ultimately influence the election results. To secure election success, candidates have put aside their attitudes and embraced the areas they previously resisted. Because the potential and strengths of the cryptocurrency sector is a force they cannot afford to miss. That's why you see Biden rarely approving the Ether spot ETF and also recruiting people, because whoever can win over the cryptocurrency vote will be stable, right? Undoubtedly, meme coins have also been one of the hottest sectors in the crypto market this year. PP has repeatedly hit new highs in the past months with a monthly gain of as much as 133%. Becoming the best performing project among the top 100 cryptocurrencies. YouTube co-founder Jawed Karim's cat-themed meme coin Pajamas has also gained 42% in the past 14 days. After market maker DWF Labs reportedly purchased 5 million worth of Ladies coins from the Ladies official. Ladies has surged 31% in the past 24 hours. However, as meme coins have risen rapidly, regulatory issues have also surfaced.
Andrew Hayden, co-founder of crypto venture firm Mechanism Capital, recently made a bold prediction that the rise of meme coins will force the SEC to adjust its regulatory strategies, potentially driving meme coin prices even higher. Hayden pointed out that the SEC currently takes a relatively laissez-faire approach to meme coins, but this attitude might soon change. He predicts that as meme coins become a significant topic on the national political stage, taking tough measures might equate to political suicide for the SEC. However, under Gary Gensler's stringent enforcement style, the onset of a regulatory storm remains unpredictable.
It's a lot closer to gambling than it is to trading, and it's certainly not investing. And, is a tweet really investment advice? I think we've learned over the last 5, 6, 7 years that a tweet is really never investment advice.
Even if everyone says meme coins have no value, many people have made money from meme coins, haven't they? So, and Kang's prediction is not unfounded. As a unique cultural phenomenon, meme coins carry tremendous social influence. Once meme coins become the focus of politics and regulation, they will undoubtedly trigger great market interest and speculative fervor, thereby driving up their prices. However, this will also bring massive challenges and risks to the meme coin development teams. If faced with regulatory pressure, they may have to bear high litigation costs and fines, or even face the risk of being delisted. The SEC approved the first batch of US spot Bitcoin ETFs in January this year, and BlackRock's and Fidelity's Bitcoin ETFs were 2 of the 9 spot Bitcoin ETFs that went public on January 11th. Recently, the number of Bitcoins held by BlackRock's spot Bitcoin ETF IBIT has for the first time surpassed Grayscale's GBTC holdings. Currently, IBIT holds a total of 288,000 Bitcoins, while GBTC only has 287,000 Bitcoins left, with a gap of over 1,200 Bitcoins. Since its launch in January this year, BlackRock's IBIT has attracted 16 billion in inflows, making it the largest among all Bitcoin spot ETFs, while investors have withdrawn 17 billion from Grayscale GBTC during the period. After a few months, BlackRock has finally taken the Bitcoin ETF crown from Grayscale.
Nearly a week after the US SEC approved the 19B4 forms for 8 Ethereum ETFs, BlackRock has filed an amended S1 registration statement. The net asset value of the BlackRock ETF trust has now reached $10 million. Meanwhile, Bloomberg ETF analyst James Safar believes the official launch is only a few weeks away, while another analyst, Eric Balchunas, estimates it might launch by the end of June, though he reserves the date until July 4, since the updated S1 form from BlackRock does not disclose the fee rate. It is not the final version yet.
Do we believe, just think about the fee differential between an ETF and some of these trusts.
Right.
These trusts are like 120 basis points.
Very expensive. We were talking with the head of Grayscale yesterday. It's still an expensive product.
And these are 20 to 30 basis points in the ETF wrapper.
So after taking over the crown of the world's largest Bitcoin ETF, BlackRock CEO Larry Fink can focus on an asset he's truly pursuing: Ether. So Ether has just received approval for a spot ETF last weekend, and BlackRock is expected to soon dominate the market for the second largest cryptocurrency as well. Many investors expect that with Larry Fink's support, Ether's price will reach 14,000 by 2025. It turns out that whether it's Bitcoin or other assets, as long as they are packaged into an ETF, BlackRock seems to be unbeatable. PayPal has over 431 million active accounts globally. It first introduced cryptocurrency services in 2020, allowing users to buy, sell, and pay with cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin through the platform. Last August, PayPal entered the stablecoin market, partnering with Paxos Trust Company to launch its own stablecoin. This stablecoin was initially issued only on Ethereum as an ERC20 token backed by US dollar deposits, short-term government bonds, and cash equivalents. It hopes to solidify its position as a payment giant through expansion in the cryptocurrency space. So what is the situation now? According to data, that Tether USDT currently controls nearly 70% of the stablecoin market, with a market cap of around 111 billion, while PYUSD's current market cap is 2.72 billion. The gap is still quite large, so how to break through? PayPal has a new strategy.
According to Cointelegraph, PayPal has chosen the Solana blockchain to expand its stablecoin PYUSD, allowing users to trade at lower costs to expand the use of PYUSD for small and everyday purchases. In a statement, Jose Fernandez de Pan, PayPal's senior vice president of blockchain, said that offering PYUSD on the Solana blockchain further advances PayPal's mission to create a digital currency with stable value designed specifically for commerce and payments.
So we're making it very simple and easy for people to utilize crypto as a funding source.
Solana can process up to 65,000 transactions per second at a cost as low as $0.0025, significantly outperforming Ethereum's 15 transactions per second, with higher fees that can range from $1 to $50 during congestion periods. In other words, processing a transaction on Ethereum could take minutes, while the same transfer using Solana can be completed in under a minute. Since last year, the Solana network has rapidly risen to become the most commonly used blockchain for stablecoin transfers. According to data from analytics platform Artemis, stablecoin transfers on Solana reached 15 trillion over the past year, far exceeding Ethereum's 885 billion during the same period. So PayPal's choice of Solana is also a wise move.
U.S. President Joe Biden will attend the inauguration of El Salvador President Nayib Bukele this Saturday. El Salvador is recognized as the Bitcoin nation. Wormhole announced on the X platform that it now supports Xlayer. Xlayer users can now transfer tokens from over 30 blockchains, and developers can use Wormhole to build native multi-chain applications. The head of the Base protocol announced they are hiring a Coinbase on-chain security chief. This role includes working closely with the Base core team and supporting on-chain innovation across the company. According to market data, the airdrop Runestone token Go to the Moon is now priced at 10.63 sats, with a 24-hour increase of 33.5%, hitting an all-time high. According to DTCC data, the Fidelity Spot Ethereum ETF Fidelity Ethereum FD Beneficial Int with the code FETH has been listed on the DTCC Depository Trust and Clearing Cooperation website.